pasta with a little cucumber salad. Well, this is where it's stamped. It's awesome. I love everything about this, but it did not bring the heat that I was hoping.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm doing things a bit different, trying out this vlogging thing. Not sure if it is for me, but let's see where it takes us. Today is a rainy day, as you see before in the montage clip. You can say a montage, right? I'm trying. Anyway, so yeah, it is raining, so I'm just inside. Run some errands at the shop with my mom today, so we're just in now. She's cooking up a storm, so I was gonna check on that. And yeah, I won't make this vlog too long, just to let you guys know I am okay. I'm still here, still trying to find the direction I'm gonna take this channel. So just trying different styles and see what works and what doesn't. So please bear with me, and thank you so much for sticking by me, for liking, subscribing, commenting. I do appreciate you all, and I take your comments into consideration as well, so you can drop down in the comment section, if you have any video ideas for me. All comments or suggestions are welcome. Why may I talk like this though? Anyways, yeah, you probably won't see much on my face, just things I'm doing around the home, trying something different, you know. Yeah, cause you probably don't like too much talking in a vlog, so although that's really what makes the vlog, the talking, right? Ooh. Steam. Hey guys, I don't know how some YouTuber do it, because just because I want the whole setting and background to look proper and decent, I just itch up in the corner and I can't do this long. No, I don't see sake of the video. No, I don't. I have to itch up like this because right now the table, in YouTube ready, so. It's like all this time on YouTube ready, so you know the thing, right? So montage of me eating a bit, then pausing this to eat properly, the proper way, the comfortable way. You get me? Okay guys, so I'm now finished with dinner. Something kind of happened. Basically, I think it's the position that I was in when I was turning to the side to record a montage of me eating. It felt like, I don't know, it must be yam or something. I feel something there, but it's not bad, you know. See, this is why you have to be careful of the things you do just for the sake of a video. I should have just set good in at the first place. So yeah, that's the thing with YouTube. You have to just be very careful of the things that you do for the sake of a video, because at the end of the day, you can't put a video above your safety or your health. You understand? Nowadays there's so much going on the internet. People doing all sorts just for the sake of fame, getting famous, because it's like I can do anything nowadays just to get famous. And just show the time we are living in right now. I'm doing YouTube for the sake of like fun in the first half, because I admire other YouTubers doing it at first, and it just look fun to grab a camera and just like document your life or your passion and whatever it is that you know, whatever content you produce, which I would hope it's positive content. You know, I just liked it at the beginning, and I really got into baking, and I really wanted to like have like a portfolio of the things that I created. And then as I got deeper in my relationship with Christ, it's like I want to do more of faith-based video, but it's like I don't know where to start, and it has to be with the leading of the Holy Spirit, because I don't want to just get on and just talk and it's not backed by what God would want me to speak to others, you know. So even with that, you have to be careful as well. You don't want your flesh to overtake the spirit. Like, you don't want to be talking from a fleshly point of view. You want the spirit of God to be guiding your words. So yeah, but not to fall off track, not much to vlog today. Today is Saturday. It's a chill day. Rain or fall, of course, you're just indoors. As I said, I went out, get some stuff with my mom, came back home, you know, just watch TV here and there. Not a TV fanatic, you know, just here and there my glimpse, especially positive. That's a station where I watch like Christian content. As of lately, not so much, but here and there my glimpse a show or two, and mostly on YouTube, just going through YouTube on the weekends and so on. And yeah, look at this vlog ain't long, you know. I don't think it's reached a 10 minute yet. Probably with the talking it might reach here. So but yeah guys, some more you think about the little editing style. I don't have much to really vlog right now. So did I want to say anything else? Oh, I just wanted to talk about like especially if you're a Christian watching this, like how do you navigate yourself around in a world where, alright, how do you navigate in the how do you navigate yourself, or how do you carry yourself as a child of God within this world, like the real world, you know, like when you go out, whether it be work, school, church, wherever, like how do you carry yourself, and you know, how do you act? Do you feel like you act different from when you're at home or around your people, and when you're around your friends or your co-workers or your classmates, whoever it might be? Because it's like how do I say it now, just the season that I'm in, I find myself around others and sometimes it's like certain like decisions or things that I might see and do, I'm not totally like pleased with it. It's like, come on Sasha, remember, like, you're a Christian, you're a child of God, you're not supposed to be, you know. It's like nothing major, it's just like you really have to stand firm in your faith, in your walk with God when you're out there. Because if you're not careful, you can be like carried away with like the things or the people of this world if you're not rooted and grounded in your word, in prayer, and yeah, having surrounding yourself with believers of God, you know. So as I always say, it's like it's an everyday walk, you know. And yeah, we're still learning, we're not perfect, we're still learning, still trying to navigate our life with God at the forefront, leading and directing, because as his word says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And as he say in his word, trust in the Lord with all thine heart and lean not to thine own understanding, but in all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. So in all the ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your path. So yeah, just like I just want you to like put your not even say suggestions, but just like, you know, how you navigate yourself. Do you find yourself like slipping up in nothing major, you know, just like certain things you feel like you could have done better, you know? yeah, so this is it for this video, guys. If you're seeing the orange light, I usually use these. What do you call them here? Something here. Basically, go on the ring light. So these are the white ones. Whenever I do my videos using my ring light, and you know, I see the place also look white and thing. I don't know if I see the fur for them, you know. But you know, it's in front of my face. Anyways, I'm not using these. I'm using the orange ones, which is why you're getting like the orange light. So my teeth don't yellow, guys. My teeth don't yellow. My teeth don't orange. I know summer on the time already. My neck look bony. I'm skinny. Anyways, yes, guys, thank you so much for watching this little vlog, as Ian Jow is say, a YouTuber that I watch. Anyways, yes, guys, that is it. And I think I have nothing else for vlog. So tell me what you think about this little vloggy vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna put nothing for Sunday, but this is the Saturday vlog. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys again so much for sticking by me. Help me to get to 1K now, people. You call me there 500. I don't like the 500 E. Come on, you got the $1,000. You want $1,000? Come on. You got the 1,000 mark, you know. Get a girl to 1K. Help your girl out. Share. Tell your mother, tell your father, tell your friend, tell your friend, tell your friend. Do they do no? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.